From the perspective of the guest, a restaurant is a destination for hospitality and craft. We experience the lighting, the plating, and the service as a singular moment of leisure. This is the intended experience. As consumers, we're invited to focus exclusively on the aesthetic surface. Beneath that surface, however, is a deliberate ecosystem. The physical layout of the room and the items on the receipt follow a specific operational logic. We will examine 5 distinct dining concepts. In each environment, the goal is to identify the specific business intent driving the visual presentation. Exploring these spaces allows us to see how aesthetic choices function as strategic decisions. The urban night market is defined by raw heat and movement. The energy of the space is built around the speed of the transaction. Who is the target market? Observe the constant movement of food from the grill to the customer. What pricing strategy is suitable here? Consider the accessibility of the setup. What makes this restaurant unique? In this environment, success depends on volume. These operations rely on rapid customer turnover to maintain their economic momentum. The pace changes in a space designed for groups. The seating is wide and accessible, prioritizing comfort over a quick exit. What atmosphere is being sold? The design appeals to multiple generations simultaneously. What promotion strategy would work best? Who is the target market? The spatial layout here is structured for connection. This design encourages an extended dwell time, shifting the focus from speed to community. In this environment, the interior is the primary product. Every corner is curated to provide a specific visual backdrop for the patrons. What pricing strategy is suitable for a space this curated? Notice the presentation of the order itself. What makes this restaurant unique? What promotion strategy would work best? The value here is tied to social capital.
Patrons are paying for an experience that aligns with their personal aesthetic identity. Natural light and open air remove the feeling of a traditional enclosure. The dining experience is integrated directly into the landscape. What atmosphere is being sold? Note the mindset of the guests in this setting. Who is the target market? What pricing strategy is suitable? This concept sells a sense of departure. Proximity to the environment allows the business to command a location-based premium. The lighting is focused and the environment is quiet. Every detail is used to suggest a sense of rarity. What makes this restaurant unique? The design provides significant distance between tables and a high number of staff for every guest. What atmosphere is being sold? What promotion strategy would work best? This model represents the intersection of low customer volume and high profit margins. The strategy is built on status and restricted access. These 5 environments show how different the operational requirements for a restaurant can be, from the high-velocity street market to the hushed dining room. This matrix shows how each concept fits into a specific economic profile. We can map them by measuring the volume of customers against the profit margin per plate. If we replace those business metrics with social motivation, mapping utility against exclusivity, the distribution remains the same. This suggests that a restaurant's success is not determined by the quality of the food alone. It requires a match between the operational model and the guest's expectations. The business of gastronomy is the work of aligning atmosphere, audience, and economics. To complete the audit, access the learning platform and submit your strategic analysis for these 5 environments.